The first thing I need to do in order to warp this text around the coffee cup is to turn the text layer into a smart object. I do that by right mouse button clicking on the text layer and choosing Convert to Smart Object. You will see a smart object symbol on the layer. Now that it's a smart object, I can free transform it and warp it by pressing Command or Control T, and I'll place it down here on the cup. Looks like I need to scale it just a touch to make it better fit the cup. I'll drag one of the corner handles to do that. The text isn't really blending into the cup very well. It's pretty flat, so I think I'll use one of the blending modes, the layer blending modes, to make it blend into the cup better. I think I'll use Multiply. Now I will do a free transform and choose Warp. I usually work better if I zoom in closer. Now all I need to do is warp the text so it looks like it fits into the cup. If I press Command or Control H, it will hide the blue lines, and I can continue to warp the text. Command or Control H again will bring back the blue lines. The nice thing is I can go back and warp my text over and over again as many times as I want until I get it right.